Welcome to another edition of Playing the Ghost. Today, the video that I posted yesterday was, amateur fails to beat the ghost. I think I actually did win once, but I lost like 15 times before winning that once. So we're gonna do something a little bit different today. Still no warm up, but I'm gonna play without any commentary, and I'm going to think longer on the shots. Now, as far as videos, a lot of times when you're watching serious matches, without a shot clock, people take a long time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the video even sped up faster. Normally it's like 1.5x to 2x, but if I'm taking a long time on a shot, because I'm trying to take it serious, I'm going to speed it up even more. So if you're watching the video, you don't have to wait as long. All right, so this is Playing the Ghost, and this time it's gonna be without much commentary, no deliberate commentary. And I am using the Japper B tournament crown balls this time. All right, no shot or pocket for the 2. So the strategy here was just to break them up, hope you get lucky, coming from behind. All right, so that seemed to work. That was the first attempt without warm-up and without commentary, and I'm up 1-0. All right, so let's see if we can do that 2 times in a row with the new, so the commentary obviously really affects anybody's ability to play with a high level of concentration if you're trying to commentate while you're playing. So I'm gonna try to do it again without commentary. All right, that didn't work. That was obviously even the wrong shot, so I lost a little bit of focus. Probably got ahead of myself after winning that first one. All right, I'm gonna try the 3 in the corner. All right, so my inclination is to talk. So I completely didn't do in that second game what I did in that first game, and just completely messed up that first shot. I'm just think it was easy position. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and try to focus. Again, on that one, the first position shot, I just need to roll a little bit forward. I didn't get on the wrong side, the right side of the ball, so I had a really difficult, and I was off by like just an inch or a centimeter over here. So the no commentary works. But after that first game of no commentary, my mindset for no commentary shifted a little bit. So I'm thinking commentary even though I'm not commentating. So the score is 1-2, and this is just gonna be a race to 3. So this is I'm gonna try to put the pressure on myself to focus on this one. Call 7 in the corner. Nope. All right, so the no commentary, the no commentating, and the higher focus actually works. I just wasn't able to sustain it because I'm still thinking that I need to say something to people who might be watching, especially the people who live here who are trying to learn from trying to get better. All right, so yeah, that was a good experiment. I think I may try to do less commentating in the future and try to sustain that over an entire race to 3. Very surprising. Today was really no warm-up, no stretch, but just playing that first game with complete focus, forgetting that I'm on camera. And then I was able to win game 1, and then got a little bit ahead of myself and started thinking about different things, and wasn't able to start off with a good shot on game 2 and 3, which could have easily run out if I would just started off on the right foot with those initial position shots. All right, so that's the end for today. Tell me what you think. You like commentary? No commentary? You like to see me play better? Or do you learn more when I play worse and have to self-evaluate myself? All right, see you in the next one.